Try again. Just see if you can get him to do it again.
Isaac, get ready to sit up. Gonna see if you can sit up on your own. Here, you can. There. That'll work. He's doing it. He's sitting up.
It's because he loves you.
Yeah.
He's trying to talk to you.
Don't fall back. Whoa, that came out of nowhere. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh! Stay right there. You don't want to fall. There you go. Whoop! You're so cute. Yeah. You're a cutie. Who's a really